It's called Don't. Which is sweet because sometimes when you release music on the internet, like, I felt like we released this song and people seemed to like it, but I couldn't really tell. I felt like I love the song and we all love the song and we hoped it would do well, and it was very validating that so many people voted for it and people who actually care about the band, so thank you. It's a breakup song, but it's a breakup song where you're the breaker-upper, not the breaky, which is also not that fun. One, two, three.
Late night driving with my arm around your shoulder. When I'm waking up your roommate, so I'm coming through the back door. I'm so okay now, and I hardly ever think about it. Feels like we've been doing this longer than we have. Oh, this feels like a safe place. Oh, but I'm still kinda changing. Oh, if I don't stop this train, it's going on and on and on. I thought time would change it, but it won't. And there's no good reason I should go, 'cause I'm not much better on my own. But you know when you know and I don't. Can't pour water out of stone, and I can't say anything wrong, and it kills me leaving you alone. But you know when you know and I don't. It's a hard conversation that I've almost come to terms with. And I met your mom and brother, and I know they really liked me. I wanna move across the country, and I worry about calling, 'cause I've seen the way this goes. I don't wanna go there. And there's no good reason I should go, 'cause I'm not much better on my own. But you know when you know and I don't. Can't pour water out of stone, and I can't say anything wrong, and it kills me leaving you alone. But you know when you know and I don't wanna stop. Walk away, no better off, but someone's gotta say it. So I'm gonna cut this off before we waste 4 years. Just wait.